Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Kingston 876 Industrial Park, but a lot of persons refer to this as the Ferry Industrial Park. So it's on the left and on the right is Mandela Highway. So as you know, Mandela Highway was recently renovated under the major infrastructure development program. Very nice road, you can see it on the right. And because the road was renovated and it made it so easy to move around via Mandela Highway now, a company called Cascade Limited decided they were going to develop a 94-acre property that they had in Ferry, which is where the Kingston 876 Industrial Park is now. So we're going to take a tour of it, and the whole development was only done after after Mandela Highway was renovated. It's one of those things when you build these highways or fix up these roads, it opens up a lot of economic opportunities. The same way you have the Fesco gas station, the largest gas station in Jamaica, and it's also located off Mandela Highway. And that gas station was only put there because Mandela Highway was renovated. Alright, so this is Kingston 876 Industrial Park, and it's very popular. It's 94 acres. It's a huge property. So you have different companies over here. Probably the more popular ones are Nestle. They have their office and warehouse at the front. Derrimon Trading. Shackman is on the right. That is a Chinese truck company, Chinese brand. Like you have it's a truck. That's them over there, and then over here now on the right is Derrimon Trading, and they have a massive warehouse facility over in this industrial park. That's the entire area on the right is Derrimon Trading. You have a lot of other companies that have warehouses or offices here. There's also a call center located in here. We'll look at it soon. And there is so much activity going on over here at this industrial park now that persons are saying the bus routes, the JUTC bus route, they only have 2 bus routes that go through here now, is not adequate. They need more routes, they need more buses, because the call center alone has thousands of people, not to mention the persons working in all these facilities here. Alright, so this is the Derrimon Logistics Hub. It's basically where they have their warehouses. So we're going to look at the rest of the park now. Tropical batteries also in this industrial park. On the left, that's Derrimon Trading as well, and those warehouses are under construction. Jamaica needs more developments like this, more projects where you can have these massive warehouses and it's spaced out. But the most important thing is that it's very easy to access, because from Mandela Highway you can get on the Edward Siaga Highway and head to the north coast. You can also get on from Mandela, you can get on. Okay, this is a Nestle facility on the left now. Yeah, from Mandela you can always go on the PJ Patterson Highway and go on the south coast. So it's very easy. This location where we are now is very accessible. Okay, so that is the call center on the right now, and it has 900 seats in it. That means you can have up to 900 agents, and if you work 2 shifts, that's 1,800 plus the admin staff. Thousands of people work over at that facility. Okay, this is another one now. This one is it's like you have it's one big complex over there on the right, but you have different companies that just rent space. So it's not one company that occupies the entire building. Okay, so we're going to take a look now at Tropical Battery. They are also located in here. Okay, so straight ahead now is Tropical Battery. That's a new building that's going up on the right. Straight by it. Doesn't look like it's open yet, but it has a large parking space, a huge parking lot. Not sure what this is, but 80% of the land is parking. And then you have this building here now, a structure right here. Looks like it has service bays. This probably could be a tire facility, but I can't imagine why they would have. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a tire company, probably. I can't imagine why they would have such a large parking lot and then they pave the entire parking lot. Very strange. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.